Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, in previous lecture we discussed about major fields of biology, but in current lecture we are going to discuss about different levels of biological organization.
Levels of biological organization. Study of organisms at different levels called levels of biological organization. In this we inshallah discuss about atomic and subatomic level, second one is the molecular level, third one is the organelles and cell level, fourth one is tissue level, next is the organ and organ systems level, next is the individual or whole organism level, next population, next community. In this we discuss about all these levels from atomic and subatomic levels to community level. This is called levels of biological organization. Initially we discuss about atomic and subatomic level. In this, all things on earth, either living or non-living, composed of atoms. Atom itself composed of subatomic particles such as electrons, protons and neutrons. This level is called atomic and subatomic level. Atom is the smallest particle, that is the part of element. So far, naturally 92 different elements have been discovered. Out of 92 different elements, some elements called bioelements used in the formation of body of organism. These bioelements in human body are 16 and further divided into two categories. One is the major bioelements that required in large amount, these are 6 in number and form 99% body of human. Next are the minor bioelements. These are in small quantity and 10 in number, form only 1% of the human body. These 6 major bioelements are oxygen, that form 65% of total human body. Next, carbon, that form 18% of human body. Next, hydrogen, that are 10%. Next, nitrogen, that form 3% of the human body. Next, calcium, that form 2% of human body. And next, phosphorus, that form 1% of human body. All these 6 bioelements are total 99% of the human body, so they required in large quantity, required in large amount, and major body are actually composed of such type of bioelement, so called major bioelements, while other they are 10 in number and only 1% of the human body are actually categorized in the form of minor bioelement. These are potassium, that is 0.35%, sulfur, that is 0.25%, sodium, that is 0.15%. Next one is chlorine, 0.15%, magnesium 0.05%, iron 0.004%, and manganese, zinc, copper or iodine. These are actually in small amount, they cannot be represented in any percentage, so these are called trace bioelements. In the body of the organism, atom of these elements not remain separate, they actually combine with the atoms of other element and form stable compound. Such stable compound are called molecule, and this level is called molecular level. Second one level is actually molecular level. In this molecular level, atoms combine through ionic or covalent bonds to form stable compounds. Such stable compounds are called molecules. Molecules are categorized into two types. One is macromolecules. Second are micromolecules. Major difference between these macro and micromolecule is their molecular weight. Molecules having higher molecular weight called macromolecules, and molecules having lower molecular weight called micromolecules. Macromolecules are lipids, starch, nucleic acid, these molecules are macromolecules because these molecules contain higher molecular weight, while water, carbon dioxide, amino acids, fatty acids, ATP, ADP, AMP and glucose, such molecules are categorized in the form of micromolecules because these molecules having lower molecular weight. On the basis of carbon, molecules can be divided into organic molecules and inorganic molecules. Organic molecules are actually such molecules that contain carbons with hydrogen together, while the other molecules that not contain carbon with hydrogen together, such molecules are called inorganic molecules. On the basis of carbon, molecules are in the form of organic molecules and inorganic molecules, while on the basis of molecular weight, molecules are macromolecules and micromolecules. All those molecules they present in the body of the organisms are called biological molecules. Important biological molecules are water, carbon dioxide, oxygen, lipids, carbohydrates, amino acids, fatty acids, ATP, ADP, AMP, etc. All such molecules are actually combined to form the body of the organism. So such molecules are known as biological molecules. In previous lecture we discussed a field of biology that was molecular level. Actually when we study the organisms at this molecular level, that is called molecular biology. Thank you very much.